Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Getting ready to roll. Alright, so it's my first time running with these guys, and I'm just going to take it easy. Me and you, we're going to take it easy.
Oh no, definitely.
Oh, what a view. Oh. Hey everybody, so at this point I pretty much lost everyone because that one guy crashed. I stopped to help him out, and then after that there was a meet spot, and I went there and I couldn't find them. Looks like they probably left after that. They didn't see anybody coming, so they just left. But I just got to the mouth of Palomar Mountain. So Palomar Mountain is this way, about 14 miles up, and there's going to be some nice twisty turns. We're at San Diego S7 County Highway. I think that's what this is. I have no idea, but anyways, looking forward to it. Let's get going. I may or may not have commentary here because I need to concentrate. Nonetheless, it will be fun. Let's go. $1,000 fine for littering, folks. Don't do it. Not worth it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a beautiful road. Nice. So all about the position of your body and how you make the bike turn. You give the bike a hard time if you're not leaning in with the bike, making the bike struggle. But when you move with the bike, you are one. My head is almost at the same angle as my mirror. That's where it's supposed to be on my turns, if the turns are steep. Wow, look at this view. Probably shouldn't be looking at that. Counter steering, my friends, is your friend. If I put my head to the right, then I'm using my right hand to push right on the handlebars, and that in turn makes the bike go right. It's super counterintuitive, but that's exactly how it works. You push right to go right, you push left to go left. It took me a long time to grasp that idea, but finally it's sunk in, and I understood the concept. If you can understand that just that one concept, your riding will be so much better. That bird. Almost. Point your head where you want to go. Look where you want to go. Oh, what a wonderful road. What a wonderful road. What a wonderful bike. Love this little KTM. Love it, love it, love it. Pure excitement in a small, tiny package. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now it's starting to all make sense. And the other thing I forgot is always keeping 2 fingers on the brakes. You'd never know. Oh, I crossed the lines. Not good. That could have been a potential crash. If another car was coming and I crossed that line, that would have been disaster. Gotta be careful with that kind of stuff. You always want to stay within the lines. Not too close to the left, not too close to the right. Always a foot out. Oh, these sweeping turns are amazing. Now it's starting to make sense. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I want to bring my Ducati and do it over here. You always want to scan the road. You always want to look in your left and right mirror. And of course, wave off to other riders. They might be able to help you one day and recognize you, especially if you have a helmet like mine. You easily get recognized, or a jacket for that matter, or a pumpkin colored bike, or these crazy wild boots that I'm wearing. Yeah, I get seen, I get noticed. And that's probably a good thing too, because other cars get to see me, and that increases my safety on the road. You want to be seen by others, and you want to be seen by cars. Kind of makes you popular too. Yeah, oh yeah, it's that guy. Oh, I know him, I've seen him before. It's not what I'm going for, but hey, if that's part of the deal, if that's an incentive, I'll take it. Oh, these sweeping turns, wonderful. This little KTM is a joy. I can't wait to take her to the track on the 19th. Always want to look where you want to go. Always. Now I'm looking all the way to the left. Now I'm looking all the way to the right. Wherever you go, wherever you look, that's exactly where you go. You want to move your head all the way towards your mirror, because if you point your head towards where you want to go, that's where you end up. There was Ducati Corsa right there. He's having a ball. I just don't want this road to end. Amazing, amazing. Beautiful vistas. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. You want to be careful with these black spots. I don't know what that is. Is that oil? Is that tar? You got to be really careful. I always try to ride to the left or to the right, never in the center. That could be an oil spill and I wouldn't know it, and I would end up in a crash. Okay, let's not talk about crashes right now. We already saw one happen today. Anyways, changing the subject. Woo! Loving this. And it's not so hot either. I would expect this area to be so hot. But we are up in the mountains, so. I'm actually glad that I lost everybody, because now I get to ride this thing and learn it on my own. I don't want to feel pressured by anybody. It's not really that they're pressuring me, it's more like once group mentality sinks in, it's almost like you want to keep up with everyone and you just want to do what they do. If you want to do something like this for the first time, it's better you go on your own. Oh, look at this. Oh, oh, oh. We are way up. Holy mackerel. Oh, these sweeping turns, my God. This is actually good because it gets me prepared for my track day event. Always 2 fingers on the brakes, always. what's this? Oh, too bad. Missed it. It's alright. It's alright. There will be more vistas to look at. Bigger ones, better ones. So, there, I think we're here. Ah, we are here.